Hi. Hi, my name. Hi. My name is Jeff, and I want to tell you a story of two birds sitting on a wire. Two birds sitting on a wire. One is a crow. Caw! You say, caw, caw, caw. The other one is a dove. Coo! You say, it's a coo. Caw! What is the weight of a snowflake? What is the weight of a snowflake? Coo! Coo. A little bit more than nothing. A little bit more than nothing. Caw! What is the worth of a snowflake? What is the worth of a snowflake? Coo! A little bit more than nothing. Caw! That's funny. That's funny. Because I just came from a cold land. A cold land. And I watched all these little bits of next to nothing. All these little bits of next to nothing. Falling out of the sky all day. They fell onto a tree, and under the weight of all those little bits of next to nothing, the tree split in two. What? The tree. Coo! Oh, great joy! Our little actions have great power. Our little actions have great power. First one voice, then two, then three, then four, then five, 3, 4, 5. Then a group, a community, then a nation, then a world. Can peace be far away? Can peace be far away? Caw! I don't know. I'm just a crow. I don't know. I'm just a crow. Coo. God gave you a voice, little brother. God gave you a voice, little brother. Use it. Use it. Caw! Coo! Use it.